welcome back again. In this video, we are going to talk about analog sensor, how it works, which are the sensor, what are the inputs, how formula works, and in this video, uh, I will explain you the analog sensor theoretically. So uh, let's start. Uh, this is the data I got from browser. Analog sensor, when you this is the PDF of Siemens. They provide the analog sensor data. So let's dive into. Uh, do you know what type of input we give to analog? Think means simply. I will tell you. There are analog card, digital in output, and analog output. So for analog input, we provide specific inputs like temperature, pressure, level. This type of inputs are in analog. Means when we put it into analog and get it from an like analog input are 4 to 20 milliamps, uh, then 0 to 20 milliamps, but we prefer only 4 to 20 milliamps, and there is one reason behind that. So here the analog sensor temperature, pressure, speed, fill level, pH level, which there are many more uh, which we get as analog signal. And if you ever see a analog sensor, then analog sensor are two wire, four wire, two wire, three wire, and four wire. So let me show you analog sensor. uh, a different type of analog sensor. This one is a proximity sensor, which gives the 0 to 10 volt. We get the signal in milliampere and volts. So this one is a proximity sensor. Do we have another if we see a level sensor have, this is the level sensor have 4 to 20 milli. This one also in 0 to 10 volt. It is depend on a sensor. You have to means get that data sheet of that sensor, which is make means what company made that, and you get the. Okay, I will provide one example. uh, IFM, it is a standard company. The level sensor, uh, this level sensor provides 4 to 20 milliamps. I work on that, so I know this is the level sensor. Okay, so IFM is a standard company. It is German company, and this provides the 4 to 20 milliamps. And the previous one which we saw here, this provide 0 to 10. So you have to go through a data sheet to know that. Okay, so up to now we learn what are the analog sensor and which type, means wire. Okay, so let's go and dive into. I have created one Excel sheet to know better uh, the formula, how it is created, and you can it. Okay, so let's take a look. This is the formula. Y is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into analog sensor value minus x1 into y1, and the information related to formula is given here, and we have put some value here. I have created one formula here. That formula is created here, and we get the value. So whenever if I put here, maximum value of analog sensor is 27648, we get the 100% analog output. Okay, and if I provide here a 25,000 value, then we get the 90%, means we get the output of 90% because we have scaled that value into 0 to 100 value. If I provide this value to 200, if I want this value into 200 of, then it will become 180 because multiply by 2. So mostly we use the standard formula as 100. It may be mine, it may be anything value which is provided by provided, means you are the user, you have to define it in which range you want that value. So this value is defined by you, and this is the value is getting from sensor, means analog sensor high low. Okay, and this is the, means this is the standard value actually for, okay, and this is the analog sensor input which we are getting from analog sensor, and this is the output calculated by this formula. This formula is created in excel sheet. So this is the formula, and this low value may be changed as if we have two type of sensor, one is bipolar and another is polar. If we uh, unipolar, so we have a bipolar, then we select, we are going to view in TI portal. I will share you in next video how we program, and we have three parts of video. First is explanation in theoretically in this video. In next video we are going to explain our program in TI portal, and in last video I'm going to show you the theoretically in HMI how analog sensor work, how we are going to connect, and communication between TI, our program, and HMI. So tune, and one more thing, if we have bipolar, then we have a minus value. So if your sensor is temperature sensor, it gives a minus value of like minus 55 to 100. So it will calculate in that only, means if we have, suppose if we have 1000 value, then we get a negative, you're getting negative output. So let's see, we have value of 5000, we get a 26 minus, let's see, we have value of 10,000, we get 1 as a positive value. So you get my concern, you know what is the thing. So in next video I'm going to explain you in TI portal. I will show you how it works. So stay tuned, like, share and subscribe. If you like my content, please subscribe and view my next video. So thank you for watching this video, and I will share this Excel sheet in link. So if you want it, you can prepare it for your project. It will very helpful for you.